State Sharia panel begins sitting as Governor Makinde goes to court to challenge legality. My dear listeners, moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. The Oyo State government has announced plans to legally challenge the establishment of a Sharia panel in Oyo town, declaring it unconstitutional. Governor Makinde administration insists that only the state or federal government has the authority to establish judicial bodies. The governor's chief press secretary, Dr. Sulaiman Olarewaju, confirmed the government stance in response to the injuries about the panel, which has already begun sitting at the Central Mosque in Akesan, Oyo. The governor was clear from the outset, if it's a constitutional matter, we must refer to the constitution. Does it permit the establishment of a Sharia panel or court? Its proponents claim it does. We will test it in court. We believe it doesn't, Olarewaju stated. He emphasized that only recognized state or federal institutions can legally set up judicial panels. A panel that adjudicates on people's affairs must have states backing, otherwise it is illegal, he said. Dr. Rafiu Bello, chairman of the Sharia Committee of Oyo Land, confirmed that the panel is operational, holding sessions every Thursday to address marital disputes, inheritance issues, and land conflicts. Nigerian law permits Sharia, and our panel is open to all, though designed for Muslims who voluntarily seek resolution under Islamic law, Bello said. He noted that similar panels already function in Ogbomoso, Kisisaki, and Ibadan. The Supreme Council for Sharia in Nigeria had initially suspended the panel's inauguration in January following public outcry. However, Bello stated that proceedings have now begun discreetly. Reacting to the development, the chairman of the Christian Association of Nigerian Khan in Oyo State, Reverend Joshua Akinyemiju, expressed surprise, claiming no knowledge of the panel's operations. I knew they planned this earlier, but after protest, it was postponed indefinitely. If they have proceeded secretly, we will investigate, he said. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Moving on to the comment section, the first comment I have here says, this Sharia panel has been existing and functioning in Lagos State for more than 10 years. Has there been any issue relating to it? Some people will just open their mouth for issues not relating to their affairs. Another commenter says, actually, Sharia law would have been no issue if Islam is true to the statement no compulsion in religion. Most Muslims don't obey that part of the Quran, but chose other parts like apostasy law, blasphemy law, etc. to scale anyone with opposing view. If Sharia law simply focus on making peace among Muslims, it would be fine. Another commenter says Makinde or whatever they call him is not challenging anything. This is a faction to fool the people, so they will be believing that he's challenging it and then sit back till it's fully grown. That's now the rule. And the last commenter says, my religion of peace apologize at it again. A sitting governor, fully constituted authority of a state, is telling you that such system is not welcome in the state as long as as he remains the governor, but your attitude of war and violence can never allow you to adhere to simply directives. The sad thing about this is that those backrolling the movement are not Oyo State indigene. My dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.